Welcome to this comprehensive review of Exchange.me, a cutting-edge platform designed to make cryptocurrency exchanges seamless and efficient. In this video, we'll walk you through every detail of this service, giving you a clear understanding of its features, user experience, and advantages for both new and experienced crypto traders. Exchange.me stands out as a non-custodial exchange platform, ensuring users maintain full control over their funds. Its simple, intuitive interface makes it incredibly easy to navigate, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. One of the platform's standout features is its focus on privacy. Exchange.me doesn't require any personal data or registration to start trading, making it ideal for users who prioritize anonymity. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and popular altcoins, catering to diverse trading needs. Using Exchange.me is straightforward. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to exchange and the one you want in return. The platform automatically calculates real-time exchange rates, ensuring transparency throughout the process. After confirming the exchange details, you provide your wallet address, deposit the required amount, and the transaction is processed swiftly. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Exchange.me also prides itself on security. By adopting a non-custodial approach, the platform eliminates the risks associated with centralized exchanges, where funds are held on behalf of users. This feature not only ensures better security, but also provides peace of mind for users worried about potential hacks or breaches. Another key advantage is the absence of hidden fees. Exchange.me provides a transparent fee structure, with all costs clearly displayed before the transaction. Additionally, the platform offers excellent compatibility with most crypto wallets, ensuring a seamless integration into your existing trading ecosystem. If you're concerned about speed, Exchange.me is among the fastest exchanges available. Transactions are processed in minutes, allowing you to capitalize on favorable market conditions without delay. Furthermore, its user-centric approach is evident in the responsive customer support, ready to assist with any queries or issues. Subscribe to our channel and smash the like button to stay updated on the latest in the crypto world.